Hi everyone. Today I'll share my objective questions with you all now. It was AWS DevOps interview question. It is more of DevOps. This Docker execute minus IT container minus ID bash command is to accomplish what? It's to activate VM mission. It's not to access a running container. It's not to build an image. Option A is the answer. So the next question is, which user-defined Docker network type allows container to communicate with each other across the multiple hosts? Relay. Option C is the answer. Not a bridge, not overlay, not daemon. So the next question is, which SCM tool does Jenkins support? Vieww, CVS, Subversion, all the above. Jenkins support all the above. Option D is the answer. So the next question is, which function is not provided by Jenkins CLA? Jenkins support shutdown, support restart, support where am I? So option D, DB dump. It won't support. Jenkins CLA does not support DB dump. Option D is the answer. The next question is, syntax to suppress the display of command error to monitor. Command greater than true or null. Command greater than. So option D is the answer. Command 2 is greater than dev null. Which standard TCP port is assigned for contacting a server? It's option A, port 22. That is a default. It's not port 24, it's not port 20, it's not 90. So the next question is, by default, in which mode of Docker container running, what is the devalue option that specifies the mode in which Docker container runs? Option C, foreground mode, minus D equal to true. It's not detached mode. So foreground mode, not false. True is the answer. You want to search the file myfile for the occurrence of string container at least 5 characters where 2 and 5 and the characters not B. Which command should we use? The correct answer is option B. grep a cap b and a dot a myfile. That is the correct answer. Which will be in data file after following the command data who greater than data file. So option D, data file will be empty. It's not output of the grade. So the next question is, what is the Jenkins hook URL for a Git plugin? Okay, answer is option A, default port 8080/git. It's not only default port, it's not a Git API, it's not a webhook. The coworker was installed, went home, and when they returned next day and rebooted the scroll and installation. Okay, after rebooting and where to get the initial password? It's op Jenkins. It's not temp Jenkins, it's not user library, it's not varlib, it's op Jenkins. So wildcard domain name starts with which label? It's option B, symbol of star. That's the answer. It's not an symbol, it's not the dollar, it's not hash. So the next question is, what is the native clustering for Docker that turns a pool of Docker hosts into single virtual Docker host? Option A, Docker Swarm is the answer. It's not Docker Hub, it's not Docker Cloud, it's not Docker Compose. We know that Swarm is the native cluster. That's the answer. So the next question is, so they gave a script, sample script echo. What is the output invoked in the command line sample print the grid? It's the option C is the answer. So the next question is, which of the following commands should allow use to SSH to connect the server IP 92.168.0.1? It's option B.